let me continue with this program. After the show function, let me define the modify data function to modify the data. This was already explained. Now the roll number of the student that you want to modify, if you want, you can pass it as an argument so that this will be read in the main function. When you call this function, it can be passed as an argument. That is one way of doing it. Another way is, instead of passing it, you can read it in the main inside this function. So here I use the second method. The roll number is read inside this function. Okay. Now let me copy paste the code for deleting the data. This was also explained. My video tutor explains this function. Same function, no change. Now let me write the code for searching a record from the binary file. So the code for this one also explained. Now I am in a position to write the main function. So you can start with a comment. Then whenever you write a menu driven program, infinite while loop must be there. What's the first line of code? Menu should be displayed. Then read the choice from the keyboard. So you can read the choice from the keyboard. If choice equal to 1, for the time being you can write pass. Now elif choice equal to 2, again you can write pass. Let me copy paste this. 7 options are there in the menu. So if choice equal to 3, for the time being pass. Choice equal to 4, pass. Choice equal to 5, pass. Equal to 6, it's pass. Choice equal to 7. What is the 7th option? If you go through the menu, you can see that it is exit from the program. So you can write the first line of code, it is break. And finally you can write one else, you can write wrong choice. Okay, so wrong choice. Now what is choice equal to 1? Insert the data into the binary file. So for that, dictionary must be entered from the keyboard. D is equal to, you can call the function read dictionary. Okay, and certainly the dictionary should be inserted. Write data, D should be passed. What is the second option in the menu? Display the binary file. You can call the function show. What is the third option in the menu? It is modify a record. So you can call the function MD. No need to pass any argument because the roll number is already read inside this function. What is the fourth option of the main menu? You can see option number 4 is delete a student record. So you can call the function DD. What is the fifth option of the main menu? Search for a record. You can call the function SD. What is option number 6? Remove the binary file from the hard disk. Okay. Now remove is present inside which module? OS. So os.remove. Here for the theory exam you can use absolute path. Here being practical, let me use the relative path. So d : class 12 files, it is stud.dat. Okay, so your complete program is ready. Now in the next video we will execute this program.